Welcome back to another video. So this will be a case study. This is a spaceship, and this has been designed within Fusion based on a course from their learning channel. Now, let's take a look at how we can take this a little bit further. So for example, let's say that this will be the design. As you can see, this will be full parametric, so we can go within modify and we can do various changes. And if I'm going to click finish form, those changes will be applied. We also have symmetry enabled over here. So that means, for example, if I will select the end over here, we're going to see that onto the other side, it will be selected as well. And we can easily change the shape, for example, for the wing over here. So just as an example, I will leave it like this. And as soon as I will finish the form, this will update. Now, Fusion doesn't offer the best visualization, so this is where Vizcom will do a great job. So I'm gonna copy a screenshot for this, and I will jump within Vizcom, and I will paste the image over here. So I can do that directly with paste. I will describe this, and we're gonna see over here how Vizcom will see that this will be a futuristic red and black sleek aircraft with sharp angular wings. And I'm gonna start generating various renders. I will also choose realistic product over here. And for the drawing influence, I will leave this at various parameters over here. We can also do a batch generation in this case, but as we can see, that will require, let's say, a paid account. Currently, I'm on an education account. And we can already see the difference. So this is the 3D model created within Fusion, and this will be a concept. This one is a little bit weird, but we see that some of those are quite well defined. And over here, I also prepared multiple case studies. So this was the original design from that Autodesk course. And as you can see, this will be the prompt. I added over here aircraft because initially Vizcom didn't manage to understand that that will be an aircraft, especially regarding the proportion. So let me delete that. And if I will copy and paste this over here, we're going to see that this will not be taken over here. So I will need to copy it over here and paste it over here manually. So let's see now. And again, that will not go over there. So we have over here copy. And if I will paste this, allow. Okay, so for some reason that copy paste will not work over here. Copy, and I want to paste this. Again, it will be the same. Okay, it doesn't matter. I will just delete this prompt, and I want Vizcom to describe this again. And as we can see over here, this will be a futuristic black and orange aerodynamic model with sleek curves. So it doesn't really understand that this should be an aircraft, since those wings are quite small. And this is the main reason why within this exploration of the concept, Vizcom tried to take this to the shape of a car, as we can see over here. As I change that drawing plans, it started morphing this within a car. So this is more obvious over here. But we also have some interesting renders, for example, this one. If you're going to compare that with the original one, which was this one, we're going to see how many details Vizcom added over here. So we see over here side by side. And we can also animate those. For example, over here, I animated the spaceship in the air. And we're going to see the following video. So this is quite well defined. We see over here some additional details added. We don't have this added, let's say, glass material so that we can see within that, but we can change that easily within Vizcom. As we can see over here, this is another concept based on that one. And over here, if I will take a look at the video, we're going to see that the video will now look like this. So it's really amazing how Vizcom can take a model and make it photorealistic like this, especially that we can add animation. So this is why I highly encourage you to take a look at Vizcom, because this can enable some interesting workflows. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this content. I will position a similar video on the left side, and I will also add a subscribe button to the right. So that's it. Thanks for watching.